How to enable app lock on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily enable app lock on WhatsApp. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that you're logged in with your account. And here, once you are inside the WhatsApp, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on that, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on Settings. And now here, under the Settings section, simply scroll down and tap on Privacy. And now here, under the Privacy section, simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as App Lock. So simply tap on that. And now here, under the App Lock, you can see the option labeled as Unlock with Biometric. So simply enable that option. And that's it. That's how you can enable app lock on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.